Welcome back, guys! Welcome to our 10th ball of our mini fridge challenge. For our mini brands, fill the fridge. Let's open it up.
Dancing on my face, put my shoes on slowly, ready for the day. Coffee
Let's
in the
pop it
morning,
up.
music in my head.
There we go.
I don't need a reason
Oopsie.
to smile again. Oh,
Let's
the
find our
sky is
magnet.
open and my heart feels light. Step
There
by
it
step,
is.
I'm walking
We have a
into
new magnet.
something bright. It's a
Our
good day,
coffee
good day.
magnet.
I'm feeling like the world is going my way. It's a good day.
We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages. For our first,
And chasing clouds away.
we have the Olapop, which is a duplicate. We already have it.
Every little moment
For our
feels like I'm
second,
almost there.
we have a pizza box here. Oh, we already have this one. For our third, we have another duplicate. It's the turmeric shop. Fourth, yay, a new one. Oopsie. It's an eggplant. For our fifth, oh, we have a box of bagel pops. A new one for us. For our sixth, oh, another duplicate, the lobster. Okay, let's take a peek inside our fridge. There you go. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.